Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify YouTube chapter markers in Premiere Pro workflow step by step clearly. Begin by opening Adobe Premiere Pro and loading your project. Import the video you want to edit into the timeline. Select the sequence you'll be working on. Navigate to the point in the timeline where you want to create your first chapter marker. Press the M key on your keyboard to add a marker. In the marker dialog box, enter a descriptive title for your chapter. You can adjust the color of the marker for better visibility if desired. Click OK to save the marker. Repeat this process for each chapter point throughout your video. To edit a marker, double-click on it in the timeline. You can update the title or change the duration of the marker. Make sure to document the timestamps and chapter titles in a separate notepad for verification later. Once all markers are added, navigate to the Export Media option by selecting File, then Export, and then Media. In the Export settings, scroll down to the Video section. Ensure that the Use Maximum Render Quality box is checked for optimal results. Find the section labeled Captions and select the option to create a sidecar file. Now, check the box for Include Markers to ensure chapter markers are exported. In the output settings, choose an appropriate format, such as H.264. Select your desired preset from the list to meet YouTube specifications. Next, determine the output location where you'd like to save the file. Click Export to begin rendering your video with chapter markers. Once the export is complete, go to your YouTube channel and begin the upload process. Upload the rendered video file to YouTube. As the video processes, check for an option to add timestamps in the description. Using the notepad where you documented chapter titles and timestamps, add each chapter marker in the video description. Ensure the format is correct, starting with the timestamp followed by the chapter title. Review your entries for accuracy to verify each chapter corresponds to the correct timestamp. Once all entries are complete, proceed to finalize the video upload. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.